Preparation towards financial freedom. Preparation towards financial freedom. If really you want to become financially free in life, there are things you need to do. And some of those things is what I want to outline today. One of those things you need to do is you have to change your mindset. Yes, you have to really change your mindset. Your mindset is very important. Are you one of those that believe that if you don't belong somewhere, you will not become rich? If you don't belong somewhere, you will not become rich. Some people believe like that, but if they don't become somewhere, you will not be rich except you belong somewhere. No. Or are you one of those that believe that there are special people God has prepared to become rich in life? Are you one of those that believe there are special people God has made to become rich in life? No, it's a fallacy. You see, your destiny is in your hand. Your destiny is actually in your hand. If you really want to become rich, you can work it out. There are people who are not born with silver spoon, but they decide that they must make it in life. They decide that they must make it in life, and they work towards it, and they see themselves making it in life. Another preparation you need to do to become rich in life is that you must have a fighting spirit. You must have a fighting spirit. If you must succeed in this life, you must have a fighting spirit. You have to have a passion. Do you have a passion to succeed? Do you have a passion to make it in life? If you don't have a passion to make it in life, I bet you can't make it in life no matter what you do. There must be a passion to make it. That passion will drive you towards doing something relevant, something important, thereby making you to succeed in life. Another way you must prepare yourself to be rich in life is that you must be ready to do something. You must be ready to work hard and smart. If you really want to be successful in life, in this life, you have to be ready. You have to be ready to do something. You have to be ready to work hard, and you have to be ready to work smart. That is one of the things you must do to succeed in life. Another thing you must do is that you must choose a career. You must choose a skill and a career. Do you have a skill? Do you have a career? What do you actually want to offer to the world that will make them pay you? You have a career? Do you have a skill? If you don't have, look for a skill, look for a career, look for something you can offer to the world that will make them put their money in your hand. These are the things you must do to make it in life. Another thing, you must educate yourself. Educate yourself on that particular career. Educate yourself on financial freedom. Educate yourself on that career, on that particular career you have chosen. Educate yourself. Look for a way. Watch a video, a YouTube video that has to do with your career. Then be focused on your career. Be focused. Don't allow anything to distract you. Focus on your career. Look for books that tells about your career. Look for books that pertain to your career. Study them. Watch a YouTube video, things that has to improve you in that particular career. That is what you need to focus. You need to be focused, or else you will fail, or else you miss it. Then another thing is that you have to acquire knowledge. Acquire knowledge. Try and acquire a particular knowledge. Then when you acquire knowledge, you start up something. Acquire knowledge and start up something. One of the things that you must do is to start up something. A lot of people have a lot of visions in their mind, have a lot of goals in their mind, but their problem is that they have not started. They are waiting for someone to start that particular thing, and then you see them rushing to start. No, start up something. Until you start up, you have not started the journey. Start up something, and then you will see yourself moving towards a direction that you won't believe. So start up something. Please, if you're watching me for the first time, I want you to subscribe to my channel. If you're watching me on YouTube, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Like my videos. And you're watching me on Facebook, I want you to follow me. If you're watching me on TikTok, I want you to follow me. Don't forget, my name is Mefa. See you next time in my video. Thank you. Bye. I love you. Bye.